Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and if you are facing an error that Discord loading chunk failed, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is you can do is simply tap on Windows plus R icon, and you can find this run program here, and you can simply search for, you can add this app data. So you can find the app data, simply click on it and okay. So now you can scroll down and find this Discord option here, right click on it and simply click on delete. So if it's not deleting or saying that this file can be deleted because it's running in another program, so you have to do is simply click on this arrow icon here, and you have to find the Discord from here. If there's any Discord available, then you have to do is right click on it and simply click on cancel, or just simply right click on it, and from here you can just exit to your Discord servers. Then you can delete this file from here. Now after deleting that, you have to do is the same process, Windows plus R key, press on Windows plus R key, and you have to add now local app data again. Now hit enter, again scroll down and search for Discord. Here it is. Now delete this file also. So when you have deleted this both of the file here, now you have to open your browser and simply go to the Discord, and you have to search for Discord here, and you have to re-download this Discord exe file for your Windows by this button here. Download and install that Discord again and log into your account, and this will help you to solve this issue. So hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.